Any film genre that you think that you'll never adapt to?
Religious films.
So what will you do if you meet the following filmy characters? If you meet Rancho now from Three Idiots, what will you do? What tell him and anything?
I will say Rancho, all is well, all is well.
All right. What will you do if you meet Devdas, Shah Rukh's Devdas today?
What will I do if I'm Shah Rukh's Devdas today? I'll offer him a drink. Hi, this is Raju Hirani and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
Okay, so sir, we have a rapid fire that will be done in a couple of minutes only. So, but it's interesting. Trust me, you'll like it. You'll like it. Especially आपके लिए design किया है. So, rapid fire with Raju Hirani. A film genre that you think you will never adapt to. Any film genre that you think that you'll never adapt to.
Religious films.
What will you do if you're stuck in an elevator with Donald Trump, Vladimir Putin, and Meryl Streep?
I'll talk to Meryl Streep.
Okay, Sanju is ... There are a few options. If you can tell us that which one do you feel is the correct one. Sanju is ... Turkey, a victim of circumstances, not a terrorist, a mystery, a survivor.
Many things. But some I'll leave for the film to unfold. But I'll definitely say he's a survivor.
Survivor. All right. So what will you do if you meet the following filmy characters? What will you do if you meet the following filmy characters? Rancho from Three Idiots. If you meet Rancho now from Three Idiots, what will you do? What tell him and anything?
Oh God. I will say Rancho, all is well, all is well.
All right. Gandhiji from Lage Rao Munna Bhai. If you meet Gandhiji from Lage Rao Munna Bhai.
Oh God. I guess I'll be in tears.
Yeah.
I've been influenced by his life and rapid fire छोड़ के एक story सुना देता हूँ.
जी.
When Dilip Prabhalkar was playing Gandhiji, when we did his first look test, we used to come to office every day in his pant shirt and this thing, and we had to do some little bit of prosthetics on his face and clothes. So all that was happening in the makeup room, and then I was sitting outside visiting and coming out, and after 2-3 hours he emerged and he had done everything and he walked. And when he walked, trust me, I felt I just bowed down and touched his.
Too good.
I bowed down and touched his feet. I thought Gandhiji had come.
Too good. Too good.
So,
what a casting!
Yeah.
What a casting!
So I don't know what will happen. Gandhiji comes, I would be. Maybe I'll show him Lage Rao Munna Bhai.
All right. What will you do if you meet Dr. Asthana from Munna Bhai MBBS?
I'll ask him to give me that pen, which he gave to Rancho.
No, sir. This is Dr. Asthana.
Oh, sorry.
Dr. Asthana from
See,
Munna
होता है
Bhai.
बबन के साथ यही होता है. बबन का दोनों रोल मिक्स कर देता हूँ. बबन का हाँ.
That was virus. Yeah.
हाँ. So if I meet Asthana, I would ask him why did he stop that girl dancing in the ward? Yeah, he should have let it continue.
Okay. What will you do if you meet Devdas, Shah Rukh's Devdas today?
What will I do if I'm Shah Rukh's Devdas today? I'll offer him a drink.
All right. So what describes Raju Hirani the best, apart from being a fantastic filmmaker, writer, and editor? Okay. So there are 4 options. If you can tell us that what you feel describes you the best: rationalist, humanist, observer of life, non-conformist.
Rationalist.
Rationalist. Okay. सिर्फ rationalist पे मतलब पूरा interview हो सकता है. There's so much to discuss. So your biggest inspiration other than Charlie Chaplin?
Many actually. As I said, it's not about one person. It's about so many people, so many directors. Hrishikesh Mukherjee here, Guru Dutt here, Milos Forman, Man Who Made One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest there, Billy Wilder, Frank Capra. So there are many individual films of many people have influenced our life. Yeah.
Great. So within rapid fire, we have a section called Ye Ya Wo, either or. So if you have to choose one, sir, pakode ya dal pakwan?
बारिश हो तो पकोड़े, otherwise दाल पकवान.
Munna Bhai 3 या PK 2, film that you want to make now?
Munna Bhai 3.
Okay. Rancho या Munna Bhai, who's more inspiring?
Both together.
Editing या direction?
Editing.
Okay, your films have some catchy hook lines that become part of the collective subconsciousness of the nation. If you have to pick 2 favorite hook lines, what would they be? I'll give you options as well. Okay, Jadoo Ki Jhappi, मामू, विनम्रता, केमिकल लोचा, ऑल इज वेल, बलात्कार, तोहफा कबूल कीजिए, डांसिंग कार,
Oh God.
रॉन्ग नंबर या लुल.
जादू की छप्पी.
एक और कर सकते हैं सर.
जादू की छप्पी and
मामू, विनम्रता, केमिकल लोचा, ऑल इज वेल, बलात्कार, तोहफा कबूल कीजिए, डांसिंग कार,
I
रॉन्ग
think
नंबर.
chemical locha was interesting to say that there's some chemical imbalance. Chemical locha was interesting.
Right, and too many wrong numbers around these days.
Wrong number also. I love wrong number.
All right, so thank you very much. As I mentioned that there's so many things to discuss, and thank you very much for your time, and congratulations for the huge buzz that you have for Sanju, and I think everyone is confident that it's going to be like received really well. You don't believe in box office, but I'm sure that more and more people will be watching it, and looking forward to much more stuff from you. Thanks so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Raju Hirani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.